Welcome to Cannin Plannin. I'm Wendy Cannin, a Senior Brand Director with Tula 12, and today we are going to talk about some gifts for the man in your life. Keep in mind that the insert styles can be changed out, and let's get started. I have three specific little gifts I want to share with you. The first one here is our Trifolio-N-Go. This is the gray version of our Trifolio-N-Go. Inside, I have included a vehicle maintenance insert and a mileage tracker. These can be slid together onto the bands. I have thrown in an Alaska Pen Gems pen, and this makes a nice gift for the man in your life to throw in his car and keep track of that precious baby that he drives around on four wheels. So that's the first gift, Trifolio-N-Go. The next is for the businessman. This is the classic extra large classic pro. Inside, I have included two things. A calendar, a monthly calendar. This is the month on one, so you can do that. And the notes insert, again, don't mind the choices for the front covers. They can be changed out at any time. We're going to slide those in there. And then along with that, you can grab our desk pad set, which actually fits very nicely inside of the extra large pocket. It's a tearaway weekly pad. And the last thing we have thrown in here is a magnetic clip. And that is the second gift. Again, the extra large classic pro for the businessman. The last thing you can grab is a desk pad set or a desk organization set. This is the pen cup in the olive. You can grab a desk pad that matches the guy in your life, and then grab either the desk pad set or the 3-pack notes pad set, which also works well. You can slide that into the flap here. And then it makes a nice companion to go on your desk to be able to write notes and keep track of and get organized for the man in your life. So I hope those are three simple little gifts that you can put together for him. And if you need help putting those all together, please contact me at Cannin Plannin, and I would be happy to help you. Have a great day.